Don't let this ball sack distract you from the volcanic view of Arenal Volcano. This must be the coolest place any human being has ever tasted ball sack for the first time. Yes, sir. You think I was going all fruity pebble, boy? Nah. We're still gonna get that real hitter. Those real motherfucking nutrients. With that, today we're gonna have our first encounter of the ball sack nutrients. We know salmon Nutella nutrition very well. Now we're experiencing volcanism with ball sack nutrition. I knew I would find some cool things to try for the raw meat guys in Costa Rica. I gotta say, the meat has been insanely good here. I see the cows everywhere, and they got plenty of grass because everything grows here. So that's been pretty cool. Oh, here comes my buddy. What up, buddy? Come on here. You want some ball sack? Huh? You want some ball sack? Oh, he likes this a lot. Oh, you want some ball sack? Oh, he's super excited about the ball sack. Oh, here comes another one. They want a ball sack. Oh my. We gotta give. Istu. Sit. They don't know English or Finnish. Anyway, first taste of the raw ball sack ever. It reminds me of Burbadro. Tastes like balls. You want some of that ball sack? Yes, sir. He wants some of that ball. So yeah. Couple weeks of volcanism and ball sack eating. Let's see what that does in a tropical environment, of course. Actually, when I came here, this guy started to smoke a little bit. It was the first earthquake in a while here on the day Base Science. Mr. Base Science came here. And you know what that means? That means magnetism, volcanism, high magnetic flux. Very good. Very good for everybody. For my physiology, for these dogs' physiology. All the life here. There's a lot of life. I already saw, like in this place, on that tree, like multiple new birds. I saw toucans for the first time in the wild. They got those big yellow freaking peckers. Let's see if this ball sack make my pecker. But actually, do I even want my pecker to work any better? Because here, dude, I tell you this much, when you get that sunlight downstairs, what I've been saying in every single video, and now in the tropical sunlight, this might take me to the places I don't want to experience. But the ball sack, it's pretty good actually. I like it. Like I said, it reminds me of burbot roe that I had in Finland last winter. I guess it's kind of the same stuff, huh? Ball sack and fish eggs. Kind of the same kind of nutrition, huh? But yeah, this is my first time ever tasting testicles. Raw, of course. I like it. Like it has a little bit of strong aftertaste. But it's not bad. It's no monkey brain still yet. Or no jackroot or hard. But it's a good start. But yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna show you the place I'm at. You can get pretty nice deals here. The rainy season, it's actually starting to rain a little bit. Now we came from the beaches to the inland, to the volcanic area. Anybody know what that volcano is? I'm gonna share it tomorrow. Let's give these guys a little bit. Little boss egg for duck. Was he good? I think he likes it. Just like me. You want more? More? Mr. Best Science needs to have more. Anyway, that's been raw ball sack. With the volcanoes. With the little dogs. Who got really happy about the ball sack. I don't think the owners here give these puppies the real shit because they got really excited when I started to cook here. And I'm actually doing another experiment here that I'm gonna share you. Food experiment that I'm gonna share you in future video. But anyway, raw freaking ball sack. It's good. It's like 8 out of 10. It's better than papayas. 8 out of 10. And probably makes you feel really good, huh? Does it make you feel really good? When dogs freaking whip those tails. He seems, or she. The other one is he, and that's the she. They really like me. Because I give them the belly scrubs and ball sack. So these puppies, these dogs, they really like me. They follow me around, as you could see. Anyway, it's been Mr. Best Science, reporting from the field. Subscribe, share this shit, because we shadow bad to death. Let's get this Mr. Best Science on the top of the YouTube freaking health nutrition game, because these fools, they don't know ass from their elbows. They don't know right from their left. Well, we might be onto something, huh?